examples. Okay, already we have seen what is the NFA. NFA is consisting of how many tuples? 5 tuples. How many tuples? 5 tuples. Which are the tuples? Capital Q, comma, sigma, comma, del, comma, Q0, comma, F. Okay, so capital Q is nothing but number of states, finite number of states in your diagram. Then sigma is whatever input you are providing, that is nothing but sigma. Transition, if you observe here, in DFA and NFA there is one difference. In DFA, Q into sigma gives you capital Q, but in NFA, Q into sigma gives you 2 raised to Q. So this difference you need to remember. Now in NFA, we will see this diagram. In NFA, we are calling this NFA as a possibilistic machine. Why possibilistic machine? Already we have discussed. Why it is possibilistic? Because if you see this diagram, how many states are here, students?
3.
3 states. Q0, Q1, Q2. And what is the input given? Sigma 0, 1. If you see this, Q0 on 0 moving to Q0. Q0 on 0 moving to Q1. Why it is possibilistic? Because on single input you can have multiple outgoing transition to the multiple different states. Okay, so Q0 on 0 moving to Q0 as well as moving to Q1. Now Q0 on 1 moving to Q1. Now talk about Q1. Q1 on 0 moving to Q2. Q1 on 0 moving to Q2 and Q1 on 1 moving to Q0. Now think about Q2. Q2 on 0 moving to Q2. Yes students, Q2 on 1 moving to Q2 as well as Q1. If you see Q2 on 1 moving to Q2 as well as Q1. That's why this is a possibilistic machine. Okay, we cannot predict here to which state it is moving. We can say there are number of possible transitions to reach to the next state. Okay, now already we have discussed one example. Whenever you are traveling, you are coming from your home to the college. Okay, some students are having only single route, that is a deterministic. Okay, and few students can have multiple routes to reach to the college. That we are calling it as a non-deterministic. We can't predict. We can't say by this route only that student will travel to the college. That student can have multiple routes to reach to the college. That is non-deterministic. Okay. Now, if we see this diagram, we have to draw the transition table. Okay. So capital Q means how many states you are having? 3. Q0, Q1, Q2. On input 0 and 1. So we have listed here Q0 on 0 moving to Q0 as well as Q1. Q0 on 1. Q0 on 1 moving to Q1. Q1. Now think about the Q1, present state. Okay. So Q1 on 1 moving to Q0. Q1 on 0 moving to Q2. Think about Q2. Q2 on 0 moving to Q2. Q2 on 1 moving to Q2 as well as Q1. We have to show this through the transition. So your transition function Q into sigma give you 2 raised to Q. Now what is Q? How many states you are having? 3 states. Q0, Q1, Q2 into sigma means what input we are giving? 0, 1. And here in the output it is giving 2 raised to Q states. Here what is Q? Number of states. How many states you are having? 3. So 2 raised to 3. And 2 raised to 3 means what? 8 possible combinations. So here if we see Q0 on 0, Q0 on 1. Here we are writing Q1 on 0, Q1 on 1. Q2 on 0, Q2 on 1. We have listed here. Multiplying Q into sigma. Afterwards we are getting 2 raised to Q. That is 8 possible combinations. So in NFA we are having empty state also. Means empty state you can have. Here you can have 5 or you can say empty state Q0 Q0, Q1, Q2, Q0, Q1, Q0, Q2, Q1, Q2, Q0, Q1, Q2. Okay. If you are not traveling anywhere, then at that place we are writing epsilon. Okay. Now again you have to show this transition, like Q0 on 0 moving to Q0, Q0 on 0 moving to Q1, Q1 on 0 moving to Q2, Q1 on 0 moving to Q2, Q1 on 1 moving to Q2. Like this you have to draw the transition diagram. Now another statement we are having here. Draw such a NFA where string is starting with 0, 1. String is starting with 0, 1. So in this statement, whatever strings you are going to list, that should start with 0, 1. So first of all, find out such a set of the strings. Okay. Minimal length string is what? 0, 1. First of all, find out the minimal length string starting with 0, 1. That is 0, 1. Comma. We can have 0, 1 in the starting. Afterwards, you can have 1, 1. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Number of combinations possible. This language is finite or infinite? Infinite. How finite? Infinite. This language is infinite because you can have multiple strings. You can have infinite number of strings. Now, for this, draw the diagram. Okay, while drawing the diagram, you need minimal length string 2. Okay, so here 0, 1 you require. Q0 is the starting state. Then 0, Q0 to Q1, here we have shown 0. Q1 to Q2, here we have shown 1. So what you need to remember, when you reach to the final state, you should get 0, 1. Okay, so here Q0, when you start from Q0, 0 and 1 at the final state I am getting 0, 1. Can we get here 0, triple 1? 0, triple 1 how to get? 0, 1. Again here on self loop we have shown 0, 1. After 0, 1 you can have number of zeros, number of ones. Okay, so 0, 1, 1, 1. 0, 1, you require 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. You require 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, you take 0 first, then take 1. And we are reaching to final state of loop. Afterwards, what is the meaning of self loop? Can we take here 0, 1, self loop of 0, 1? If we take here self loop of 0, 1, what will happen? If we take here self loop of 0, 1, if you have multiple zeros, then it cannot start with 0, 1. Okay? 0, 0, 0, then 0, 1. Our statement is what? It should start with 0, 1. That's why we cannot show here 0. If we keep here 1, 1, 1, 1, then 0, 1. It is also not valid. So, this is not valid transition. Okay? So, here 0, 1. Then, afterwards, you can have number of zeros and ones. After this, you have to draw the transition table. Okay? List the states Q0, Q1, Q2. Next state on input 0, next state on input 1. So, students, see here. Q0 on 0, moving to Q1. Q0 on 1, is there transition? No. In NFA, it is not compulsory to show transition for every input symbol. Okay? In DFA, we need to show transition for every input symbol, 0 as well as 1. But in NFA, it is not required to show transition for 1. So here I am writing 5 or what you can write? Epsilon. Okay? You can write here epsilon or here you can write 5 because we don't have any transition for 1. Now, next state is what? Q1. Q1 on 1 we are reaching to Q2. But Q1 on 0 we don't have any transition. That's why here we have written 5. Now, next state is Q2. Q2 on 0 moving to Q2. Q2 on 1 moving to Q2. Okay, this is a transition table. How to show the transitions? Again, you have to show the transition function Q into sigma Q2 raised to Q. Okay, so what is Q? Q0, Q1, Q2. These three states you are having in the diagram. Afterwards, input 0, 1. Then, through the transition function, we get to know here we are having 2 raised to Q. 2 raised to Q means how many states we are having? 3. 2 raised to 3, that is 8. So here 8 possible combinations. Which are 8 possible combinations? 5, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q0, Q1, Q0, Q2, Q1, Q2, Q0, Q1, Q2. Same, we can show Q0 on 0 moving to Q1. Then Q1 on 1 moving to Q2. Q2 on 0, 1 moving to Q2 itself. Okay, this way we can show the transitions in NF.